What's up guys, today I want to show you how to easily download Netu.Tv video because my old solution stopped working by 2021. Here's new video how to download it. So first of all you need to go to Chrome extension store, and when you've done it you can just click add to Chrome and press add extension. Once you have done it you can just go to your favorite website with Netu.Tv player. When you have it, just click through the advertisements and play a few seconds of the video. Then you can left click our extension and you can see it's downloading, and once you hit save it's going to download it to your download folder, and now you can play it or do whatever you want with it. And that's it for today's video. See you in the next video, and if you like, I'll be glad if you hit that subscribe button, and if you have some suggestion to my next video, write it down below to the comments. I'll be glad if you have some, and thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.